3, 4, 5, 6. Then still now so they just give me this money. Now as they just give me finish, they don't even like the like.
Hello my lovely people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across this my channel, please do me a favor by hitting the red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Anytime I upload any video or I drop any video, you go be the first person to be notified. And to my whole new subscriber, thank you for your support to this channel. And to my membership, thank you very much. I do appreciate your effort to this channel. Okay, my people, we don't come back again. This our brother, where we say we dey Italy now, they say no food for lazy person, you understand? No, say most of our people for year that they still they do all those give me, so that say who never get job, you go they pray for job, but you not go sit down for us, but you need to pay us rent. So what it make me want really talk for this video be say this our brother, he talk one thing for this video when later I wanna go listen to when be say the thing touch me. And this video now to tell a lot of people when be say they still be like this our brother, because this our brother, he get patience, you understand, he get patient. And I believe say now God still make an office still talk, because God just say your seed where you just sow, now this time you will take get her. If not, if will still bring out that our character, you understand. But he tried to, if when he want to tell they say I beg mona cheat, make I do my things. But that God, that giving when he don't give out before, that God will be say he believe on, go still tell us say calm down first. So in this video, this our brother go down walk when they say give me. So he meets some Italian boys, but he said they never reach 18 years, they like small children. But they bless his life. Why it be like that? One thing for this our Africa people, most of all we know they get patience. You go also say the way our body take the hot, our leaders, their body take the hot. Most things, those pepper body they spoil things. When I listen to this video, I really learn a lot for this video. So I say let me talk about it, because most people they go work like this, maybe they just say somebody just talk to them the way they not like, they not get documents, but the way they go take they cause that person, the way they follow the person the whole ground for your whole country, you go full border say be like say this person get document, but when they go don't control that person, you see say go the year you no channel document, no check document, you no get documents, you they talk anyhow. Person where you they talk to now country. You understand? So I not there after that one, but we see the led to the patient for some kind things. Because if our country they good to us, we not go come here. We not go come here. According to this, our brother, he exercise patient. Now 10 cents they give him obey. They call the wolo things. They come out for a mouth. They make calm, make it talk. They answer different things. We go bring anger. If now some people say, as they also say 400 euro, now they go they pay you a month when you take the work. The way you go tell you talk to that 400 euro, and they tell you say see amount when I they pay for your house when I carry. You they tell me say you they pay me 400 euro for work. You see. But he come and answer them, talk to them the way be saying, may you not come, may I still answer them. But if now some people that they say this person they spoil my business, I beg go because of 10 cents we give me. No my God, we should come for pocket, give him the 10 cents back. But that blessing no go get him again. You see, the paper where they give and I be this one. You see, I say Dio ti amo. God love you. He not work for the again, not do anything for the, but they do things. He not work for the again. they just give am, e comot na envelope dem fit put am, na so white dey do their things. So make we lis ten when our brother take dey show the money.
I will show una now, see me like this. See money when I see inside. 500 euro load, 500 euro, no be say load, 500 euro cash. You get me? So don't be say me, I no expect this money. 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then still now so they just give me this money. Now as they just give me finish, they don't even like say me, the thing come surprise me, tears won't come out. They tell me say like, what they just tell me say me I should change, like say me make I change my mind, say me like this, say me this work, say me no.
Come back again. Show na see am when he take show the money now. 500 euro. But they fit give her 10 cents. They give her that 10 cents. And una hear say this our brother, una go see get one place where he be say una go hear when he take talk something when he do for person before he go this work. Some people they don't want so for person life, oh, but they want make person so for their life. Before you go see say some. Now God not be say he just stay say maybe the your God bless someone. He don't fair bless person. God just still same person God bless her, but he don't be extra. You understand? It's so for person life. And for this video, this boy, when I go still listen to the when he talk say he don't first so for person life before he don't first so money go give person for Nigeria. He don't know the person, no, the guy just they play guitar for Facebook, all those things. He cause it so for the person life. And this boy now not sit down for us say they come baby oh. He not the woman hustle. He go hustle. You understand? So my people, when we still listen to the other one, I go still come back, cause the drop now.
This money, it's good to still give out. You get me? So you get one guy when they play guitar for my timeline. I just can't like and just promise and just write them for this me. For this guitar when they play so, for this music when they play so, for this song when they give us so for on live video for Facebook. I even share them for Facebook. Say me, I don't spray you 10K, you know, because the guy in Nigeria there, I don't spray you 10K. Before I come on now, I go one side go do that 10K for him. Now whether I did this blessing will follow come on me, I don't know, my guy.
Okay, my people, welcome back. Una see for that video when he talk about say he don't first so for person life before he not get anything now for hustle, but if he go bank, go for do 10,000 naira give person. You see, you see the difference, but they won't God bless her. They bless her above that 10,000, but above at least 10,000 should be about 20 euro or 25 euro. But money when he can't get, can be 500 euro, which is about 200 or something thousand. And I see the gift. So I beg my people, who would they get patient? Not be say, now say Italia not good. Italia there be racist. There be this one. All of us will be racist. We the resist ourselves. Nigeria go resist themselves. Okay, if another man resist, you not even let her pay you for body. After all, you Nigeria, they resist themselves. You don't see Italia, they go they resist themselves. No, but Nigeria, Africa, they resist themselves. So if another man resists you for your country, not let them pay you. Do your things. Do your thing as far say it not serve you paper say come out for my country. No reason waiting. Do you do your things? And most of them when they do give me so I know say not easy. If una still go, una dey exercise patient. E get some way be say they go you help they carry their bag, they your shout for you, does you go your reply they say I beg you, they go now they cause them. No, una maintain. Okay, my people, make I live on us. So, mona they be careful and mona they respond to them well. I know said some of them they are pepper body, you understand? Mona see they respond to them well. So I will leave you. I want to be going. I want to say thank you to my returning subscribers, to my friends, to my membership. God bless you. I do appreciate your effort to this channel. So guys, if you are looking for ways better ghetto, children thing, adult thing, men fashion things, women fashion things, boys wear, children things, please don't fail to contact this number. And anything you think about this video, do not forget to drop your comment down below. I love you. Bye till I come your way again. Bye bye.